If you're getting Photoshop error 127, don't worry. This usually means the installer can't extract files to your temporary folder. In most cases, that happens because of low disk space, restricted folder permissions, or security software blocking the Adobe installer. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Photoshop error 127 step by step, quickly and safely. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this. All right, let's jump in. First, check your disk space. Photoshop and the Adobe installer need enough room to unpack files during installation, so if your system drive is nearly full, the setup can fail with error 127. Open File Explorer, click This PC, and look at your main Windows drive, usually the C drive. Make sure you have at least 20 to 50 gigabytes of free space available if possible. If your drive is full, delete unused files, empty the recycle bin, or move large files to another drive or external storage. Once you've freed up space, try the installer again. Next, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall. Sometimes security software blocks the Adobe installer from writing files into the temp directory, which can trigger this error. Open your antivirus program and pause real-time protection for a few minutes, or use the built-in option to disable it temporarily. If you're using Windows security, you may need to turn off real-time protection for the installation attempt. Just remember, this is only temporary, and you should turn protection back on as soon as you're done. Now, run the Adobe installer as an administrator. This gives the setup program the elevated permissions it may need to create folders and extract files properly. Find the Adobe installer or the Creative Cloud app, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes. Then try installing Photoshop again and see if the error disappears. If the problem continues, clean out your temp folder. A damaged or cluttered temp directory can stop Adobe from extracting the files it needs. On Windows, press the Windows key and R at the same time, type %temp% and press Enter. This will open your temporary files folder. Look for any leftover Adobe temp folder along with other temporary files you no longer need and delete them if possible. If some files are in use and can't be removed, skip those and continue. After cleaning the temp folder, restart your computer and run the installer again. Finally, if you're using the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app, repair it or reinstall it. Sometimes Photoshop error 127 is caused by a corrupted Creative Cloud installation rather than Photoshop itself. Open your installed apps, find Adobe Creative Cloud, right-click it, and select Repair if that option is available. If you don't see Repair, uninstall Creative Cloud and install the latest version again from Adobe's official website. Once Creative Cloud is refreshed, launch the installer and check whether Photoshop now installs properly. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the issue, and the installer will be able to extract files normally again. If it works, let me know in the comments which step fixed Photoshop error 127 for you. And if this video saved you time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.